Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Napoleon, the Elevation gas fireplace. This is going to be a new gas fireplace for 2020. So the Elevation is going to be available in two models, a 36-inch and a 42-inch. The model shown behind me is going to be the 36-inch model. This is shown with the herringbone pattern, which I love. I really like the herringbone, but you can also do a stacked brick option as well. You can change out the log kit, so you do have various options on that. And you can also change out the front of the unit as well to have different color options. So again, this model does have the safety screen. You may or may not be able to see it in the screen. I think Napoleon does a nice job. It's a pretty thin little mesh, so you can see it pretty well. This has a nice tall viewing area. As you saw on some of the other demo models where the flame is burning, Napoleon really does an excellent job with their gas flame, and they do have a 50% turn down rate. So this is going to be a zero clearance, high efficiency gas fireplace, so it can be framed right into the wall with combustible materials. So I hope you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like your videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.